Tisya. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a paper bag. For that we need a paper and a glue. First we have to fold the paper in two halves. As you can see the line, fold it on the same line. When you fold this one, make it a bit more because we have to stick it together. As you can see, we have to stick it together. So I'm taking more of sheet to stick it. Let it dry. As it is dry, now take one side and fold it equally from both sides. And open it. Now push one side inside like this. Now fold like this and fold more as we have to stick it. Let it dry. As it is dry, now fold it equally like this. Now, you open a bit and your bag is ready. Save our environment. Use paper bags. Please, please, please don't use plastic bags. Now we will decorate the bag. To decorate your bag, you can draw as well as stick some stickers.
For more videos, please like and subscribe my channel.